Question number 21. This passage talks about the Reserve Bank of India, and it basically describes what's the role of Reserve Bank of India in the formation of the monetary policies in the country. Now there is one line here which is very important. It says it discusses the various alternatives with the government. The board of the Reserve Bank of India is not involved in the specific policy decisions, so it gives consultation, or it provides consultation, but it doesn't really have any active involvement in the specifics of the policy decisions. Now, the last line says, however, the broad contours of monetary policy, contours means outline, or the lines which give the shape or gives a shape to some body. So contours can be taken as a synonym for outline here. So the broad contours of monetary policy are discussed at the meetings of the central board. So the Reserve Bank of India plays a consulting role in our policy decisions. That's the main idea of the passage. Now the question is, it's a CR question. What is the most logical, rational and critical message that is implied in the above passage? So let's look at the options. A says the Reserve Bank of India is not an insular institution. Now the word insular, if we take its dictionary meaning, it says ignorant of or uninterested in cultures, ideas or people outside one's own experience. Now here what it the line that is there in the passage is, before any major policy decision is taken, the Reserve Bank of India holds extensive consultations with banks. Now this line is here. So from this we can definitely infer that the Reserve Bank of India is not directly involved, but indirectly it is involved. So we can call it an insular institution because it only operates within its own purview. So this inference is not really incorrect. However, we have to look at the other options. B says the process of policy making in the Reserve Bank of India is fair. Now the word fair is not defined in the passage, so we can eliminate it. C says the policy making process of the Reserve Bank of India is a transparent one. For the same reason, we are eliminated option B for the word fair, which was not defined in the passage. Similarly, we can eliminate option C because the word transparent is not defined in the passage. D says the board of Reserve Bank of India is responsible for the monetary policy. Now we know that from the passage it is wrong. So if we can eliminate B, C and D, the only option left is A. So that's the answer.